Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of Tesla Inc., TSLA on the NASDAQ, focusing on the last 3 months of trading activity. In this video, we'll break down key technical indicators, price action, and trading volumes to provide a comprehensive view of TSLA's recent performance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just curious about Tesla's stock trends, this analysis will help you understand the underlying signals driving TSLA's price movements. Let's start by setting the stage with the current price and the context of our analysis period. As of December 18, 2025, TSLA is trading at $467.26. This price reflects the culmination of various market forces over the past 3 months. By examining this snapshot, we can begin to contextualize the technical indicators and historical data that follow. The current price also serves as a reference point for comparing moving averages, momentum, and volatility, which we'll explore in detail throughout this analysis. Let's dive into the short-term moving averages, which are essential for identifying immediate trends. The 5-day simple moving average (SMA) stands at 467.66, while the 5-day exponential moving average (EMA) is slightly higher at 468.57. These values are very close to the current price, indicating that TSLA is trading in line with its recent average. This alignment often suggests a period of consolidation or a potential pivot point in the short term. Moving to the medium-term perspective, the 10-day and 20-day moving averages provide insight into slightly longer trends. The 10-day SMA is 458.4 and the EMA is 459.3, both trailing the current price. The 20-day SMA is 438.72, with the EMA at 448.28. This upward gap between the current price and these averages suggests that TSLA has experienced a recent bullish run, outpacing its medium-term trend lines. Examining the long-term moving averages, we see a clear trend. The 50-day SMA is 437.91 and the 200-day SMA is 348.99, both well below the current price. This significant separation indicates a strong upward trend over the past several months. Long-term EMAs, such as the 200-day EMA at 373.27, reinforce this bullish sentiment, suggesting that TSLA has maintained momentum over an extended period. Bollinger Bands are a popular tool for assessing volatility and potential price extremes. For TSLA, the upper band is at 488.9, the middle at 438.72, and the lower at 388.53. The current price is closer to the upper band, indicating that TSLA is trading near the higher end of its recent range. The band width of 0.229 and a BB position of 78.44 suggest moderate volatility and a bullish bias. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) is a key momentum indicator. TSLA's MACD is at 11.69, with a signal line at 6.98 and a histogram of 4.7. The positive MACD and histogram values indicate bullish momentum. Additionally, the MACD momentum value of 4.97 supports this trend, suggesting that buyers have been in control recently. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, helps gauge whether a stock is overbought or oversold. TSLA's 14-day RSI is 58.42, the 21-day is 57.12, and the 28-day is 56.53. These values are in the neutral to bullish range, suggesting that TSLA is neither overbought nor oversold, but has a slight bullish tilt. This aligns with the price trading above most moving averages. The stochastic oscillator is another momentum indicator. TSLA's stock K14 is 83.67 and stock D14 is 89.2, both in the overbought territory. This suggests that while the stock has been strong, it may be due for a short-term pullback or consolidation. However, strong momentum can keep a stock overbought for extended periods, especially in bullish trends. Volume analysis is crucial for confirming price movements. TSLA's on-balance volume, OBV, is a massive 6.28 billion, reflecting strong participation. The recent daily volumes have also been high, with several days exceeding 100 million shares traded. High volume on up days supports the bullish case, indicating that institutional investors may be accumulating shares. Volatility indicators help us understand the risk and potential price swings. TSLA's 30-day volatility is 2.95, with a true volatility of 4.02. The average true range ATR is 18.8, indicating that daily price swings are significant. While volatility is elevated, it's not extreme, suggesting that TSLA is experiencing healthy trading activity without excessive risk. Identifying support and resistance is key for traders. TSLA's current support is at $457.21, with resistance at $486.29. The pivot point is $476.25, close to the current price. These levels can act as decision points for traders, with a break above resistance signaling further upside, and a drop below support suggesting a potential reversal. TSLA's trend strength score is 0.237, and the trend quality index is 61.74. These metrics suggest a moderate but not overwhelming trend. While the price is above most moving averages, the trend's strength is not at its peak, indicating that while bullish, the move may be losing some momentum or entering a consolidation phase. Momentum indicators like the 10-day momentum, 20.52, and 20-day momentum, 66.01, show that TSLA has experienced strong upward moves recently. The rate of change ROC14 at 9.54 and the percentage rate of change ROCP14 at 0.095 further confirm this positive momentum. These indicators suggest that buyers have been dominant over the past few weeks. The Arun up is at 100 and Arun down is at 12 with an Arun oscillator of 100. This indicates a strong uptrend. The ADX average directional index is 17.5, which is relatively low, suggesting that while the trend is up, its strength is not particularly robust. This combination often occurs during the early or late stages of a trend. TSLA's 52-week high is $495.28, and the 52-week low is $214.25. The current price is at 90.03% of the 52-week range, showing that TSLA is trading near its yearly highs. This positioning often attracts attention from momentum traders and can act as a psychological barrier or catalyst for further moves. Price acceleration is currently minus 8.27, indicating a slight deceleration in the recent uptrend. Linear regression analysis shows a predicted price of $442, with a deviation of $25.26 or about 5.71%. This suggests that TSLA is trading above its regression trend, which could mean the stock is temporarily overextended. Risk and reward are crucial for any trading decision. TSLA's risk-reward ratio is 0.336, suggesting that the potential reward is somewhat limited compared to the risk. The technical score of 69.74 and a momentum score of 409.75 indicate that while the technicals are positive, traders should remain cautious and manage risk appropriately. Looking at volume trends, TSLA's relative volume is 1.29 and the volume growth rate is 1.68. These figures suggest that trading activity has been above average with increasing interest in the stock. The accumulation distribution AD value of over 4.7 billion further supports the idea that buyers have been accumulating shares over the past 3 months. Reviewing the last 63 trading days, TSLA has shown significant volatility and upward momentum. Notable price swings, such as the jump from $402.17 to $421.72 and the recent high of $495.28, highlight the stock's dynamic nature. These historical moves provide context for the current technical setup and help traders anticipate potential future price action. In summary, TSLA's technical indicators point to a strong though possibly maturing uptrend. The stock is trading near its 52-week highs, with most momentum and trend indicators in bullish territory. However, some overbought signals and a modest risk-reward ratio suggest caution. As always, traders should combine technical analysis with sound risk management and stay alert for any shifts in trend or volume. Thank you for joining this deep dive into TSLA's technical landscape.